Welcome back to the Electricians 2 channel. On the bench today, we have the KLEIN Tools ET600 Insulation Resistance Tester / Multimeter. This instrument was released to the market on December 18th, 2019, and it's still in rotation right now. You can still buy this insulation tester. It's one of the best insulation testers for the money on the market, I would say. You can buy this insulation tester for I haven't seen it for no more than about $140, brand new. And it's a really good insulation tester. Let me just read off some of the general specifications about it, and then I'll get back to hearing me talk, okay, about it. I mean, what my views are about it. Okay, they say the test insulation resistance up to 400 mega ohms at 125 volts, 250 volts, and 500 volts, and 1000 volts DC. Measures up to 1000 volts AC /DC, low resistance and continuity. Automatic ranging, true RMS, technology for increased accuracy. Test verification of conformity to EN 61557-1. Cat 4 rated at 600 volts and Cat 3 rated at 1000 volts. Safety rating. It has a test and lock buttons for simple installation testing. There's a warning alarm and high voltage icon for detection of voltage. Backlit display with bar graph. Automatic power off. High voltage, min max, and hold icons. Built-in stand and optional magnetic holder for hands-free operation. Includes both right angle test leads and heavy-duty alligator clips test leads. Low battery indicator and easily replaceable battery and fuse. I have to say, guys, that everything that they said about this meter is the truth. I've used it several times, and it has never let me down yet. Everything about this meter, what they said about it, it's true. It's one tough meter. You get a lot of bang for the buck. I just mentioned the price. I told you about $150 or less for this meter. It has the test leads are pretty decent. They're not the greatest, but it's not the worst. It's in between. Even down to the croc clips right here. Well, the alligator clips right here. They're nice. The features on it are nice. The backlight is very bright. The way you saw it, the way you see it on here, is how I'm looking at it in person. The digits are very large, and they're clear. I like the bar graph. I love everything about it. Now, it doesn't have a PI or DAR function on here. You just have to lock the button, hit the continuous lock, and you have to just time it with your watch or something like that. But still, that's not a problem. What you're getting here is more bang for the buck. And the accuracy of this meter is spot on. I truly believe, even though I'm a big fan of Fluke and Mega and some of the other ones out there, but those are two that everybody know about, I truly believe that this KLEIN Tools ET600 would hang with either or the KLEIN, or the Fluke or the Mega. As far as the build quality, is very well built. It's not one of those little cheap light, you hold it in your hand, it feels hollow. No, it's not. It is very well built. Let's take a look at some of the features around the dial, and we'll get back to talking in a minute. So let me zoom in just a little bit closer. Okay, he's rated Cat 4 600 volt. I mentioned that. Cat 3 1000 volts. It's true RMS. And around the dial, it goes up to 4,000 mega ohms. You get it starts for its installation voltages, test voltages. You get one. It starts from 125 volts, 250, 500, and 1,000 kV. Now the other side, the multimeter side, volts, AC, volts, DC, continuity, and resistance. Those all are basic functions that you need. And at the soft keys at the top here, the two large soft keys, is a continuous lock button. And if you were to lock it, this how it will look. I'll show you that in a minute. The test button, the four soft keys at the top, the one to your furthest to the left, that's for the backlight. I don't know if it's zero to meter out, the min max, and the hold button. So let me just press the continuous lock button just to give you an idea of how it will look when you press that button, okay? First you gotta put it in, I'll put it on 125 volts. You know, I don't know if the backlight still come on. Yes, but yeah, there we go. Because some of the installation testers on the market, that's me pulling the camera back a little. Some of the installation testers on the market, when you have it in installation mode, test mode, it won't allow you to turn the backlight on, I guess, to reserve the power. But anyway, this one does, and that's a good feature. So let me just press continuous lock and see what it makes you a lock in icon. Yes, it does. So I have it on 125 volts. So I'm gonna press a test. That's what it gives you at 4. I don't have any leads picked up inside the input, the jack inputs, but that's what it's giving me. It's putting out 100. If you see at the bottom right of the screen, it's putting out 136 volts, and it's giving me 4,000 mega ohms. Okay, it's showing the voltage icon. Well, it's greater than 4,000 mega ohms. So anyway, it's showing me the high voltage icon. Giving me the hold button at the top, unless that's up here, unless it's the high voltage. But that was a high voltage symbol right here. That's I think that's the timer right here. But let me see. It's showing me that my battery is low. And well, anyway, it has and I like the bar graph at the top. This is a really nice meter. And on the back, this rubber boot is integrated onto the tester itself. They have holders in the back to hold your probes when you're not in use. These, not the alligator the croc clips. Those right here. It'll hold those on the back. Have a nice tilting stand. And the meter itself, the whole meter itself is high quality, even down to the plastics. You know how Fluke have a nice plastic, sort of high quality material that they make their meters out of. Client spared no expense with this meter. Keep in mind, they're trying to outdo the competition, people like Fluke, companies like Fluke and Mega and things like that. But I do believe that this one will, and it's just my opinion, that this installation tester will hold its own against any tester that you put up against it. And let me see what else there that I'm not missing anything. Okay. Well, anyway, before I continue, guys, look, help support the channel. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment. And if you do hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell next to it. That way, you'll automatically be in rotation to all my upcoming videos. And I want you to stay tuned because there are more on the way. And I don't want you to miss out. If you like this one, you'll love the ones that's coming up. Okay? So do what I just asked you to do to help support the channel. And it's for free. Now, anyway, back to the meter. If you find this meter on the market and it's brand new and you're looking for an installation tester, and you don't need all that old bells and whistle stuff, and you just want a straight installation tester / multimeter, and I would and you find this installation tester, this tester, for a good price and is in good condition, I wouldn't pass it up. I wouldn't pass it up at all. I just want to let that be known. This is a very good meter. That's all I have to say. And you guys, just take my word for it. Just take my word for it. You won't be disappointed if you were to purchase this meter. So, guys, again, thank you for allowing me to take up your time. And in the meantime, you guys take care. Stay safe out there. And meet me back here again when I do the next video. Later.